St. Irish here. Got another one. My God. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? 1999 Hennessey Viper. Yeah, the shit. Let me just explain something to you. If you have any problems driving a car, just go to a different video. This, if you don't know what you're doing, you better go get in your Honda Civic. This thing spins tires, lights fires, and is absolutely no bullshit. Let's just go over some of the key details. There it is. Look at that front end. V10. Guess what? Yes, Hennessey. No bullshit. Body kit, exterior, all the aero you could possibly imagine, and not just that, she is not slow. That is a 510 stroker motor from Hennessey, and yeah, we dynoed it. She'll pucker you right up. It's a race car. If you can't drive a race car, like I said, go get a Civic. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a quick walk around, show you exactly what we're messing with, and then we're gonna take it for a drive. All right, so let's start out what you're looking at here, okay? So those are ACR Lightweight Bbs Wheels. Yes, they're staggered. Yes, they have big fucking tires. 275s up front, and the rears look small. Guess what? They're not. That's a 335 in the rear. The Dodge Viper has the largest factory tire from a manufacturer ever. Oh, big wing? Yeah, you got it. You got to do something to keep this thing on the ground because she is no joke. Rear fascia, yep, you called it. That's Hennessey. Corsa exhaust system, sure, why not? Long tube headers, got them. Mid pipe, got them. And when you ask me about the creature comfort of this car, it has none. None. There's no ABS, there's no traction control, there's no navigation, there's no heated seats. You know what this has? Fucking power. We're going for a drive. Let's go.
Our GoPro is literally on the ground, so be careful.
Is it really?
It's the only place I could mount it.
All right, this is your drive video in legit a fucking race car. Here, I'll just give it to you. That was just right there. That was just, nope, nothing. Actual race car, first drive. Safety features, ABS, traction control, any of that. No, what this is, balls to the walls. Oh, we got AC by the way. About all it has. So here's all your key features. Power windows, Alpine stereo from MC Hammer when he was rich, and air conditioning. That's it. Other than that, like I said, this is a fucking race car. There is nothing, it's not nice, it's not gentle. What it is a kick in the ass to drive, super fun, and it is fast. Roll on it. And of course we get some jackass in a V6 getting right in front of us. Skill at this point. You got no room for error. You can't go into a corner acting like a dumbass. It is literally Dodge knocked it out of the park with this one. This is legitimately a race car. Your pedals are so close together, I can't even, maybe I'll get you guys a video of it, but literally my shoes are too big because I don't have race shoes on. That's what it feels like. All your gauges here, you got temp, oil pressure, fuel, burns all of it, and a battery meter. RPMs and speedo. What else do you need? Nothing. Rev loader. And fifth. This thing's fucking...
You went to fifth?
Yeah,
Aww.
we're in fifth. That is a violent rev limiter, actually. It's the closest gearbox I've ever driven, dude. I do have blinkers and hazards. It's a good thing this thing has such a beautiful butt, because ain't no one gonna see the front of it.
She thick.
She thick. This girl thick. Just mirrors the front end feel like it's fucking 37 feet long.
Oh, it's, yeah, absolutely. You can't even see half of it.
What are you doing over here, dude?
This thing's making you work.
Oh, you're driving this, dude. This is a driver car.
This is some awfully nice AC.
Oh, yeah, it blows ice cold, dude. All this horsepower, nowhere to go. Everybody move! All this horsepower, nowhere to go. Everybody move!
At least you didn't do fifth again.
Nope. This gearbox is tricky, dude. Your shifter is literally the smallest thing you've ever seen. It makes max fucking horsepower and torque at like 1200 fucking RPMs, dude. Oh my god. So good, dude. I'm not even on it, dude. Race car. Dude, it does not stop, bro. That was 105.
No, it wasn't.
I swear to God, that was 105, dude. It does not stop. It just keeps going. I'm doing 60 right now. Daily driving to work, probably not the best idea, but I'd fucking do it anyways. Wanna know why? Because I got brass balls. Fucking I'll drive this thing through in and out, whatever you need. I'll go get you. I'll Uber this bitch. Fuck that, we're doing 75, dude, through these. Yeah, dude, like nothing. Like it's just chilling, dude. Plan it out. And the steering is fucking insane on this car.
21 years old, still gets down.
Oh, that's what happens when you have a fucking $33,000 motor uninstalled. That's just the motor build. 33 grand. Oh, you have a 6.0 LS? Man, I remember my first beer.
I remember my first beer.
Well, we in Mexico. Wait, hang on. There you go. I think that's third. Nope, fifth. Third right there. Holy fuck, man. That was 115. Dude, it's stupid. It didn't feel like going that fast, right?
No. She's chilling.
Chilling. Got places to go, people. My bad. Roll on in fifth. Roll on them one time, girl. Stretch them legs. Up. 125. Okay, I'm good. Woo! No, fifth. Third right there.
What the hell?
This is 90 right here, dude.
She's chilling.
Chilling. Got places to go, people. My bad. Roll on in fifth. Roll on them one time, girl. Stretch them legs. Up. 125. Okay, I'm good. Woo! Dude, look at Big Wang Gang. Let's check them out. That's just embarrassing in itself. I can't answer my phone right now. Maybe I can, dude.
GoPro's on this.
Do you want to give the beans, dude? How many cars do we give him, dude?
I think he's hungry. Hey, what do you want from Applebee's, bro?
Dude,
whole menu.
I actually need the wing on this car. What is the purpose of his?
Front wheel drive, rear wheel downforce, yeah.
Maybe he thinks that VTAC is gonna save his ass, bro. Come on, come get it, dude. Waiting for you, bro. She wants to eat, dog.
Is he coming?
Oh, dude, the wall is amazing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! Good night, Sally.
He's probably max throttle right now.
Dude, that was. Woo! Goddamn, Kara Shelby, love you. You know what Kara Shelby said? Horsepower sell car, torque win races. 580 wheel, 660 torque. Normally aspirated. Oh, your power adder, cute. Nitrous, fucking cute. Big motor, big boy shit.